Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing social studies. Do you have this book? Social Studies The Fun Way to. This is for second standard. If you have this book, please take out that book because you will be reading this book along with me. Pause the video and get the book. You got the book? Now open lesson number 4, Houses. Pause the video and open the lesson. Now let's read. Okay, on the screen I have listed the important words from this page. It is easy for you to read the learn the words listed here. They are important and these words will be useful for you. But now look into your text and read along with me. We live in houses. There are different kinds of houses. Houses that are made of mud, leaves, thatch, or bamboo are small and are called kacha houses. Houses that are made of bricks, cement, steel, and wood are strong and are called pakka houses. Pakka houses can be big or small. Some pakka houses are very big. They have many rooms and a big garden in front of them. These houses are called bungalows. Some pakka houses have many floors built on top of each other. These are called apartments. They help to save space. Now we stay in city, right? So most of the houses are pakka houses. Now, which kind of house do you live in? Good. Okay, now read. What are the very tall buildings which seem to touch the sky called? Have you seen these kind of buildings around? And what are they called? Skyscraper. Very good. See, the spelling is written here. Skyscraper. Now, after reading this, you are going to learn these words. Try to understand the meaning. And I have made learning of these spellings little easy. You have to, when the word is big, you have to break the word into parts and then learn. For example, this is kacha house. So this is a big spelling, kacha, right? So I have broken it down. Kuchacha. It is easy to remember, easy to learn, and make it rhythmic, right? So after reading this, you are going to learn these words also on your own. Okay? Now, next page. Kacha houses are not very strong. Often, during storms or heavy rainfall, the they fall down. Right? You remember the three little pigs? Right? The house of straw was blown away by the wolf. Right? Okay, now let's read. Kinds of houses. In different parts of the world, people live in different kinds of houses. This is a houseboat. It is a house that floats on water. It has a living room, bedrooms, a kitchen, and washrooms. In India, houseboats are called shikaras. They are found in Dal Lake, Kashmir. In Kerala, houseboats are called Kettuvelam. Now, this pronunciation that might not be correct. You may ask for people who are from Kerala, they will give you correct and right pronunciation. But for now, I will read it as Kettuvalam. Have you seen these kinds of houses? Have you been there? Very good, it's fun. Okay, let's begin reading. Let's continue reading. This is this is a house made of ice blocks. Ice blocks. Okay, you know this. It is called an igloo. Igloos are found in very cold, ice-covered parts of the world. Eskimos live in igloos. Eskimos are people who live in that area. An igloo has a small entrance. See, it is a small entrance there. Eskimos crawl into the house through this entrance. They use oil lamps for heat and light inside. And you know what? These houses, they don't melt easily. And because of this lamp, it, it is warm from inside. Okay, it keeps them warm. Very surprising, no? But yes, that is true. Why? That you will learn in higher standards. Just turn the page. This is a house on stilt. These types of houses are found in places that have very heavy rainfall. A stilt house is built out of bamboo, straw, rope, wood, and wire. Why such kind of houses we need in the places where they have very heavy rainfall? Because in such areas, usually they get floods. So they make their houses at some height so that the flood water will not enter their houses. So these kind of houses you find there. Stilts. Now let's read. This is a house on wheels. What a fun, right? It is called a caravan. Nomads. You know who are nomads? Nomads are the people, early humans, who used to travel from one place to another in the search of food. They are called nomads. They don't stay at one place. They keep on traveling. So they are called nomads. Nomads used to move from place to place in search, sorry, okay. Nomads move from one place to, I'm not able to see this text. Just a sec. Nomads who move from place to place usually live in caravans. Caravans were earlier pulled by animals. Today, modern caravans are pulled by trucks and big cars. This is fun, right? Having your house on wheels. Some people move from one place to another in search of food for themselves and for their domestic animals. Domestic animals, the animals which you keep with you, right? Such people live in tents. Have you seen tent? Yes. This is tent. Soldiers who live in tents on battlefield. Soldiers also live in tent on the battlefield. A tent is usually made of a thick cloth called canvas. Do you know? Did you know? Very long ago, people called Mongols lived in tents called yurt. Red Indians lived in tents called tipis. What is a good house? A good house should have a lot of ventilation to let in fresh air and sunlight. We have windows, right? For lot of ventilation. A good house should be clean. Garbage cans, garbage cans inside and outside the house should be kept covered, right? The surroundings of the house should be clean. Now we have exercises just below this page. Answer the following. What are pakka houses? What are they made of? What are kacha houses? What are they made of? What is a houseboat? Where do you find them in India? What are the houses of people who move from one place to another called? Do you know what is this? Just check in the textbook again. What are the features of good house? Just now we read, right? Okay, now tell me true or false. Sorry. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong. Very simple. Alright? It's very simple. Try to read. What is this? Match the building material to the correct houses. Hmm. So what are these? I think these are bricks. This is wood and bamboo and rope, I guess. What is this? Oh, this is ice. This is ice. Ice blocks. These are ice blocks. This is brick, cement, and yeah. This is canvas, the thick cloth used for tents. Very good. I don't see this. You will be able to see this. So, okay, this is for stilt, I guess. Yes, because you need bamboo, wood, and ropes and wires. So, I don't know. Okay. Um, Igloo, ice blocks for igloo, right? Cement, bricks for bungalow, canvas for tent. This is for stilt, and this is, I think, the thatch and mud for hut. Okay, now let's look at the worksheet. Fill in the blanks. Houses that are made of leaves, mud, thatch, or bamboo are called kacha houses. Very simple. Pakka houses, shikara, ketubalam, caravans. Good. This is very simple. Why do we need house? We need a house to keep us safe and to protect ourselves from all kinds of danger. Who live in tents? Why? Okay, the answers are given here. Have you copied them in your notebook? Not yet? Do it right away. Now. It's very simple and do it quickly. Okay? And let me know in the comments when once you finish your work. Okay? And don't forget to learn these important words. Try to understand. And when the spelling is big, you have to break that spelling into parts and learn it in rhythmic manner. Okay? Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Be safe.